Should you visualize while you practice? Well, there's some interesting research that has been done in the sports psychology literature, and also speaking from my own experience, I'm here to answer this question just real quick in this video. And I just want to start by saying that you should always aim to do physical practice over imagery. So whenever you can, go to training, go to your games, go to actual practices, indoor, outdoor, whatever it is, go actually physically practice and kinetically move, right? Because physical practice is always going to be more beneficial than imagery. Even if you try to pair imagery with physical practice alone will be better than a combination of physical practice and imagery. And I'll illustrate this with this diagram that I just made. So the purple bit is the physical practice, and this is the time session, by the way, of the training of the game, whatever. So this is all physical practice. This is mental practice and physical practice. And this is basically the same as this, just in different orders. And what you'll notice is that a physical practice is it's shaded in more because it's more powerful. It's more beneficial in learning skills and practicing in getting better with our performance. And the mental imagery is less shaded because it's less powerful than physical practice by itself. And you'll see that even if you pair a session with both mental and physical practice, the physical practice alone will be more beneficial than both of these in the same time session. I mean, this is all the same time session. So you might ask, then what's the point of imagery? Well, imagery, you can think of it as a vitamin, as a supplement. If we're tired, right, or if we're injured, if we feel overtrained, then this is a good way. It's beneficial to use imagery in that context. When we can't really go out and physically practice. But that basically answers the question, right? If you can, just always do physical practice, but you still want to supplement it with imagery, because imagery does enhance our performance. This is a fact. But be careful when you're just using both visualization and physical practice in the same session. It's better to focus on the actual physical practice while you're actually doing an action, or you're actually making plays or whatever, instead of just kind of imagine while you're there. It's beneficial to just actually do the actions that you have to do. But when you're laying in bed or you're home, if you feel like you want to practice but you can't, then imagery is a good way to supplement that issue. You can imagine yourself actually being there, close your eyes, you hear the sounds, you smell, you feel, and you imagine yourself performing with vivid imagery. But just focus on actual physical kinetic movements when you're actually doing practice. But yeah, that's the quick video for today. Make sure to subscribe, and peace.